Hello everyone and welcome back to Now I Know. For those who are appearing for the June CSIR NET exam, today finally your exams are done and the whole cycle of the exam getting postponed, the uncertainty is all done. But I know some of you might be having the after exam jitters and want to know the analysis of the paper that you have appeared for today. So for you all, I have got an important piece of information. Unacademy is conducting a paper analysis for the life science tomorrow, that is on the 22nd November, where they are going to do the discussion and do the analysis of the paper that you have appeared for today. So when you click on the link that is given in the description, it is all free. It will take you to the Unacademy page where you will see the complete timetable schedule of this analysis that is happening on 22nd November, that is tomorrow. At 9 a.m. in the morning, there is analysis of memory based question taking place, that is your part B. At 10 a.m. The difficulty level of the exam will be discussed, and based on the difficulty level your expected cutoff will also be discussed, so you would know what to expect, what kind of cutoff you might be looking at for this particular exam. And at 11 a.m. there is part A analysis that will take place. For those who are even appearing for December can join the analysis, because this way you will understand what has been asked in this question and what could be the possible answer. And those who appeared for this exam today, for you definitely it is helpful, because you might be having certain questions in mind and want to know the answer whether it was right or not. And those who are watching this video later on can still access this analysis, so make sure you click on the link that is given in the description. It is completely free. Make sure you take advantage of it and see the analysis of the paper that you have appeared today. So I hope this information is really helpful for you. The moment I got to know about it, I had to share it with you, because I know some of you might be having this after exam anxiety. I used to have a lot, especially with competitive exam. You have certain questions that you are so sure about a particular answer, but there is this small doubt that some other option was correct. So unless you see that for sure, that will be there in your head. So this way you will get rid of all that after exam jitters. So make sure you take advantage of it. Head over to Unacademy page and join in for the analysis. And now that you're done with the exam, take a break for few days and then move on to whatever next. If you are studying, carry on with the semester studies, and if you are appearing or planning to appear for some other competitive exam, get on with the studies. Just take a few days break, clear your head. I know this especially for this particular exam, because it was supposed to happen in June. It took really long time. The exam was getting postponed and you had no clear picture about it, but now it's all done and you are over with it. So I hope this information was helpful for you. I will see you next time. Until then, keep learning.